Okay, welcome to this little video for this Parrott Mambo. So, very small little drone, nice and light, crammed with spec actually. Blade protectors, prop guards as they're called. They just simply clip off if you want to reduce the weight to make it fly faster. It comes with a set of goggles which you plug your phone into, or you pop your phone into the front. There are adjustments for the lenses, and one lens has got the protector there. There's the other protector. So they're practically new. I don't think they've ever been put on. Was there a strap? Yes, there's the strap for them. USB charging cable, sort of Lego block for holding things on the top, I assume for little notes. That's the phone holder for the controller. It's a rechargeable controller, by the way. What's it called? A Sky. I can't remember what it's called. Parrott flypad. Parrott flypad. Gun. You can shoot things with pellets. A grabber. That's really funny. You can pick a pen up with that if you pop it up. And that's it. And the case as well. So don't think there's any spare propellers. Let's just pop it up in the air. It does flips, forwards, backwards. Records video to an SD card, which you just pop into the back there. You charge it via the USB port. There's a spare battery as well, so it's original Parrott battery. I didn't seem to get it to connect up to the app. It's a bit of a faff. Parrott dropped the app for newer Android phones, but I don't know. It doesn't really need it. You can just press this button here, which I've marked with a bit of Tipp-Ex. It just scrapes off, and you press that, and it records via this camera at the top, which is unmarked. Actually, that is the lens protector. I just popped it on the top. It's got an ultrasonic sensor at the bottom and another camera in the base there. So it's on. The green lights are on. The little lights are on at the front. Batteries last really well actually, and the green lights on the controller. So simply just press the take off, and it just hovers really well. It's very clever bit of kit, and I'd say it's a perfect indoor drone actually for just hooning around inside, like a whoop drone. Forwards, backwards. There's hardly any latency with it as well. It's really quick on reacting. So I think you just press button A for a flip. There we go. Button B for another flip. One. That's not doing it. What about this one? Oh yeah, this is a good button. You press this and it just spins 90 degrees straight round. So if you're shooting off towards a wall, just press the button. I don't know why all drones don't have that. It's very clever. The motor system's brilliant as well. It's got bags of power, bags of response. I really like it. Just got so many drones. I'm never going to get the time to fly it. So I'll let someone else have a play with it. But that's it then. Just press the button to land, and it lands. Okay, thank you.